Yeah, Nasdaq, as I mentioned in the weekly outlook, essentially the same thing I'm still looking for. Really long term, of course, we're probably going to go higher. Not entirely sure on it just yet. So we're working with a smaller dealing range. Counting back 20 days, that's the high and low inside 20 days. We're working with this dealing range here. Now, of course, we are in a premium of this still, and I would expect us to trade to a discount key level. If you look on a 4 hour chart, I at least want to see us trade into this low back here, this swing low on the 4 hour chart. That would be really nice. We currently do have an SMT on previous day high as well with ES right there. Um, I'm not really sure whether we're gonna go higher from this or drop off again. Doesn't really concern me either. If I'm just trying to predict what the next daily candle does or is going to do, that sort of thing doesn't concern me right now. Right now, we look bearish. We're in a premium of the 20-day range. So long term, I'm not overly concerned with what we're going to do. We could trade down here and rip higher from that point, or we could cut through all of this and go for some more discount key levels. Doesn't really concern me right now. What concerns me is this low getting traded to, at least on a minimum. Good afternoon, Stephen. Hope everyone's well. This low because it is a range low inside of a dealing range. Okay, what we've talked many times, so this can become a target. On the downside, it can also be used as potential longs on the upside. It just sort of depends what we're doing when we get there. But for now, if we zoom into the daily chart, SMT on the previous day high with ES. What I'm looking for right now to confirm that we are going to go lower, I would say I'm definitely leaning towards shorts. What would confirm it for me is a nice closure below here. That would be really nice. A closure below this IFEG on the long term, and I think we can go towards these equal lows down here. Again, midnight open, that's our target for today. That's my personal target. Um, Looking at this price action on a 5 minute chart, we also obviously, as I've mentioned many times, those of you who are watching the Nasdaq series, your eyes should jump towards equal lows, right? This is an equal low. I do think 930 could be distribution. I'm not sure I have a valid entry here just yet for me personally, so I will be waiting. But anyway, your eyes should jump towards equal lows. There, there, these, right? This is what you need to train your eyes for. So I do think Midnight Open can be a really nice target on the downside today. As for longs, I'd rather we long in a discount. Okay, so I'm not concerned with that just yet. I know I mentioned in the outlook that YM has hit a discount. It has. We need a couple daily candle closures if we are going to look for longs from here on Nasdaq. So right now we're sticking with the shorts. If we close below this IFEG, I think shorts can be really nice down to these this failure swing here, these equal lows. Yeah, I like this. I like this. I want to see it trade to these equal lows and midnight open. From around this area. I think we've got enough displacement to say it should go lower now.